Hey, look right
Hey.
at you. Amber,
Ouch.
look at this guy.
What's
is that?
that?
What is that?
Is it a baby?
What is it? That's your brother. Hey,
Hey. What does Daddy have?
Amber,
Amber.
look. Come here.
Look at, I guess.
Amber.
She hears that.
Look at this guy. That's your brother. It's Charlie. Can you say hi? Can you say hi, Charlie? Yeah, little brother.
Baby.
Can you say baby? Baby brother?
See baby?
What do you think? You like him?
Amber meeting Charlie.
What do you think?
No.
Charlie.
I'm not getting him. Want to give me a kiss? Yeah. Nope.
You want to see him?
I'm so excited.
What is that? What do you think?
I like the boy. Be
Oh,
gentle.
Gentle. Gentle. Very gentle. Oh, you made him cry.
Oh no. You guys are going to be
It's
all
a
black
real
because of the
baby.
window.
Yeah, he's a real baby. No.